So, Good evening, everyone. My name is Rohit Soneta. I come from Indore. You might have heard it's the cleanest city for past 9 years now. She's my wife. She's Bhavya Soneta. She comes from Kanpur, and we have recently purchased this house 6 months back, and we love this house for the sole reason that it's an outer and like I've always stayed in a outer area where you get fresh air, you get fresh water, and you have like a locality where you always have a good view. So that was our requirement for purchasing the flat, and that is the reason we came. We saw this after struggle of 2 years. We saw a community which was made. This community is known as My Home Tridasa, and so we love this flat, and that's why we purchased this. We went to lot of interior designers. We surveyed the market, how, because we were completely newbies, like we didn't knew anything about how interiors are done, how what material is chosen and all those things. So we went to different people, we understood how things are done, we understood the budget, and how then after talking to few friends, checking online reviews, we found OSM Interiors, and straight away I contacted them and I got a response within like 2 to 3 minutes. And they called me, they understood my requirements, and very next day they arranged a site visit where they came. They basically took some measurements. They asked us what you want, what are your requirements, where do you want to place wardrobes, where do you want to place different things, how are your like what do you think about a whole house, what theme you want, all those things they asked. We sat together, we understood, okay, this is the way it should be done, and after 3 days they shared me an initial quotation of what work is needed in my house and what basically will be the budget of it, because as you know, you can't have infinite budget and you need work to be done in a certain budget, right? Ever since then, we basically, after talking to them, getting the budget, we talked to some other interiors also, and we had asked them about the quotation as well. But uh, when we went to their office for finalizing for the first time, the way especially Sadiq sir, the way he explained us, he basically told us about different things, showed us in his showroom like these are the things which we will use. So those kind of things were very good. Especially I want to point out the material which they were using. They told that in the whole house we'll be using Century Bond 710 BWP ply. So all those things, Asian Paints Royale we'll be using Panasonic lightings and all those things. So we love the budgeting part of it, plus we love the material quality part of it, like good kind of materials are used. And so because we want our house to be long lasting, we wanted, like everybody wants their house to stay longer. So that was the point where we realized, okay, let's go ahead with OSM Interiors, and then we finalized it. But they were always open to customizations, always. In our guest bedroom, the fall ceiling was already done. We had decided that on this particular wall we will keep the wardrobes. At the end, after fall ceiling was done, we changed it. We wanted the wardrobes to go that side because of looks and all those things, and we were loving it there. Still, they told, okay sir, we'll do it. They did not say that, okay, fall ceiling is done and all those things are done. So that is the wonderful part. Two things actually stood out for me. One was this, they were welcoming for customization. Sadiq sir was always okay. Second thing was their ground level workers were really good. So heads up to them, and I think go ahead with OSM Interiors. We are really doing amazing job.